SLH කණ්ඩායම මේ දෙවන තරග සවය ආරම්භ කර සූදානම්. මේ දමිත් වීරසිංහ ඔබ දකින්නේ තරග ආරම්භක ස්ථානයේ. ඉසවංක 18 මේ ජනකඩායස් අගේ කොලෙන් තරග වදිනවා. ඕකේ.
උඩින් කලින්
තරග කරවන 7 දෙනෙක්. මේ පළමු තරගයේ දමිත් වීරසිංහ ජයග්‍රහණය විකරගෙන සමත් වුණා. උපුලන් සේරසිංහ අංක 63න්. තරගය වට 7කින් සමාදිත. සියල්ල සුධර්මින් ආරම්භක ස්ථානයේ ආරම්භ වුණා තරගය.
Damit Veerasinghe starts in front after winning the first race. Janaka Dias was placed second. Upulwan Seerasinghe was third. Fourth position Ishraq Wahab. Fifth was Linusha Pereira in that first race. Driving conditions are totally different. A lot of swerving around, and at the Elephant House corner in particular, drivers will be extremely careful. So Damit Veerasinghe in front, Janaka Dias lying second, Upulwan Seerasinghe and number 28 Linusha Pereira fighting it out. Great race, Lal. This is going to be another tough event. Experience and skill, but conditions on the track makes a huge difference.
ඉදිරිය ලබා ගනිදී දමිත් වීරසිංහ දෙවැන්න ජනක ඩයස් අතරතුරේ තුන්වැන්න උපුලන් සේරසිංහ සහ ලිනුෂ පෙරේරා අතර තරගය.
By now the tires are full of mud and the traction is virtually zero. So you got to rely on your braking skill, your capacity to hold the car under rather slippery conditions, not to be too fast, not to be too slow to compromise on your position, but certainly keeping the right racing line at the bends in particular. Damit Veerasinghe in front. At the back of the field, there's plenty happening. Janaka Dias lying second. Upulwan Seerasinghe is third. Now, Ishraq Wahab is in front of Linusha Pereira, who is in 5th place.
තරගයේ ආකාරයෙන්මයි තාමත් තරග වදින්නේ මේ අංක 11 තරග වදින ජනක ඩයස්. ඉදිරිය දමිත් වීරසිංහ මේ පළමු තරගයත් ඔහු සමත් වුණා ජයග්‍රහණය විකරගන්න අපි බලමු ඔහුට හැකියාව ලැබෙවිද දෙවන තරගයත් ජයග්‍රහණය මේ සූරතා කුසලානි සදා සෙට්‍රාඩා.
So Ishraq Wahab has made a tremendous move with his wipers working. Team Arafat has got into third place. Damit Veerasinghe meanwhile is extending his lead at the front of the race. Janaka Dias finding it difficult. Ishraq Wahab has got into third place. Upulwan Seerasinghe has lost a little bit of pace. Linusha Pereira is in fourth. Upulwan is fifth. Damit Veerasinghe holding on to his position. Here he is at the front of the race. Great stuff. Not unduly troubled, but always very careful not to overdo. Janaka Dias is under pressure now. Ishraq Wahab has got into third place, and once he's there, always a possibility that he would be fully stretched.
SLH තරගය සවුවේ 1600 කාටේ දෙවන තරගයේ මේ පැවැත්වීම දෙවෙනි ධාවන පතේ තාමත් ඉදිරිය සතු කරගෙන තිබෙනා දමිත් වීරසිංහ. පසුපසින් ජනක ඩයස් මේ ඔබ දකින්නේ ජනක ඩයස් තරග වදින ආකාරයේ පසු ඉස්රාක් වහබ් කොළ පැති මොන රතේ අංක 8 තරග වදින දායකයා තුන්වැන්නා ලෙසින් දැන් තරගයේ ධාවන පතේ හතරවැන්නා ලෙසින් ලිනුෂ පෙරේරා මේ පස්වැන්නා උපුලන් සේරසිංහ.
This is great. I mean, almost 10 kilometers of tough racing. The weather has improved. It's a very cool evening at Pangola. We are live. Upulwan Seerasinga chasing Linusha Pereira, who is lying fourth. Upulwan is fifth. In front of them there's Ishraq Wahab and Janaka Dias in second place. Race leader is Damit Veerasinga. Here he is.
Taraka wata hataki samani targe wata hatarak kawasan.
Always a difficult proposition to hold the car when you are coming into a bend at great speed. But that's what Janaka Dias is doing, trying to stay well away from Ishraq Wahab, who could be quite a threat, and impossible to try and push Damit Veerasinga, the youngster who is still a teenager and a schoolboy, will be very happy with what is done at the front of the race. Upulwan Seerasinga has got back into fourth place. Linusha Pereira pushing him right to the end. Chatura Vijayaratna is lying sixth.
Chatura Vijayaratna මේ තරග සවයේ පළමු වතාවට තමයි මේ තරග සව නියෝජනය කරන්නේ අද දිනේදී. ඔහු මීට පෙර මිනි 7 තරග සඳහා සහභාගී වූ දාවකෙක්.
And now in 7th place is Ace Priyashanta in his Honda.
Chatura Vijayaratna. Akmal Vijayaratnage සොයුරා.
Damit Veerasinga had some problem that gave Janaka Dias a little bit of a whip, and this is a difficult maneuver for Damit Veerasinga, who holds on to the inside lane. Great work. Now Ishraq Wahab is just behind Janaka Dias. Veerasinga took a tremendous amount of traction because he couldn't get the wipers working. Oh, the race has got so much more interesting. The penultimate lap, they'll have to hold position. Damit Veerasinga took a tremendous risk. He had to. It was necessitated because the wipers stopped working. Maybe because of the weight of the mud. Now he's still in front. Janaka Dias closing in on him, and Ishraq Wahab closing in on Janaka Dias in return. So good tussle for the top podium finish. This is what you want to see into the final lap.
තරග අවසාන වටේටයි ප්‍රවිෂ්ඨ වන්නේ Damit Veerasinga. තරම වේගයක් දකින්නට බෑ අපිට මේ දාවට පදින්න තිබෙන තෙත පරිතතාවය නිසා. තරග කරවට ඔහුට ඕන ආකාරයෙන් තරග වැඩිවීමට හැකියාවක් ලැබෙන්නේ නැහැ. ලිස්සා යන විට වේගය අඩාල වනවා සිල්ව මෝටර රථවල දාවකෙක්ගේ. ඒෂේ වුණත් දැන් අවසානයේ ලබාගෙන තිබෙනවා Damit Veerasinga ඉදිරියේ. තරග අවසාන වටේ.
The first race was won by Damit Veerasinga. Janaka Dias came in second. Ishraq Wahab fourth. He is now in third place, ahead of Upulwan Seerasinga, who is fourth. He was in third place in the previous game. If you don't have the wipers working, you are in trouble. Great stuff. Damit Veerasinga heading towards the checkered flag. It's a clean sweep for him in the SLH cars. Janaka Dias a second finish for the second time. Ishraq Wahab third. That's an improvement on the fourth from the first race. Upulwan Seerasinga will be disappointed. He was third in the previous race. In the second race, he is fourth. Linusha Pereira fifth.
තරගයේ ජයග්‍රහණය හිමි කරගන්න සමත් වුණා Damit Veerasinga. මේ ඔබ දකින Damit Veerasinga තරගයේ නිමා කිරීමේ අනතුරු ඔබට පෙනෙන්නේ නැති කොයි ආකාරයේද දාවරපතේ සැකසී තිබෙන්නේ කියලා මේ වරේට ඇතැළු වර්ෂාව නිසා Damit Veerasinga පළමුවෙන්නා දෙවැන්නා Janaka Dias තුන්වැන්නා Ishraq Wahab.